Automotive vocabulary words that you need to know. A lot of my customers call my shop and try to describe their symptoms, but they don't do a very good job at it because they just don't know. Yep, dead battery. Now that sound you just heard was a no crank, no start. Most likely due to a dead battery or some type of connection issue. Heck, even a bad starter sometimes. This sound is cranking or turning over and not starting. That sound is cranking up or started up. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Let me get back to work. Stay tuned for more. Alex the Car Doctor out.